1452. 1047.
Okay lang. Ilagay ko sa vlog ko. Matagal ka na dito, ate?
12 years.
5 years?
12 years.
Ay, tagal mo na pala.
Ay, i-file ko lang.
Oo.
O, anong shape ko?
Ah,
Square?
Hindi. Parang, hindi siya square. Hello guys! Good evening here in Dubai. It's currently 8:50 p.m. here. And for today's video, I am going to do an unboxing for what we bought here in Dubai. So, actually our 4 days, probably 5 days already here. We didn't see any tourist spot yet since my back is I had a little issue in my back, so basically we just went to the mall, eat, and then all this to the hotel. And by the way, happy new year all. So first I am going to do the unboxing first. So give it this. I have this Bershka over here. So I really love this brand since I was in the Philippines. So I kind of like those kikai stuff. So it doesn't need to be expensive, but yeah, as long as it's nice. So I just want to show you really quick, because we have a lot to unbox here in my bag. So here is a long skirt that I bought from Bershka. So you don't need to know the price. You don't need to be okay. And for the top, I have this white. That's for the skirt top. And I had here jogging pants, leggings. I guess this is leggings. I thought this is jogging pants. Yeah, so it's cute, and I like this kind of color. So that the Bershka. Now the next one is blazer that I bought yesterday. So I already have 2 of those, but the other one is silky, and I bought it also in Bershka. But this one is kind of like dirty white color, but I really love this, and has a 2 packet on the side. And this is medium because I like a little bit long to me and airy when you wear it. So yeah, here Zara. So I know guys, there's Zara and Bershka in Germany, but since we had the second lockdown there, so all stores are closed. I mean, all stores are closed. And since we are here already in Dubai, then we can buy something for it. So I just only got a sandal, like a stiff-in sandal in Zara. I'll show you. See? Wait. I like this kind of sandal, and it's glass thingy here, so I can just step in my feet. So I'll put it back and then unpack the next one. Would be this Forever 21. So I really love this also. Those brand that I love in the Philippines is also here. Those Forever 21, Pull and Bear, and Bershka. I really love those in the Philippines. So I can find easily my sizes there. And also H&M. So I told you it doesn't need to be expensive, but yeah, stylish and beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to show it to you really quick. Pink again. So I have all pink, this kind of dress. So I didn't get any kind of like really showy and sexy dress because Dubai, you know, in Dubai you're not allowed to wear really showy dress here, otherwise you'll be in will be in jail, or I don't know, you'll have some fine, not sure, but yeah. So I get this also. Today we bought 2 shoes, Nike shoes today, so I don't know if this one is mine. I guess this is for my husband, so this is their shoes. So this is him, so that one for him and one for me. And then let's get mine. So this is mine, obviously small, but it's just plain white. I really love white sneakers, shoes, and I can wear it every day. Here it is. Here is the Nike shoes that I got today. It's really nice. So this set is just for everyday use or in casual dress, so it's nice. Put it back and then we'll be unboxed again another paper bag. So we don't have gift to each other on Christmas. I guess this is our gift shopping on Christmas. Shopping. Are you videoing me? So we're done with the shoes. The last one, I mean, it's not last one, but so I get here the Calvin Klein, but this is not for me. This is from my husband. What is inside? Oh, I broke it. So it's a Calvin Klein pants that he got. In a way, this is for him, so we're not gonna open it really, but already open. Anyway. So the last one, guys, that I have here is this Charles and Kit. So let's see what's inside. This is what's inside in Charles and Kit bag. So it has something like this. Yay! So this is the inside. It's a cute little bag. So this is, the girl said that this is the best seller on them. So I wasn't supposed to buy this one. I just want the small one, but they said it's more nice and beautiful. And there's like a card thingy here, wallet for all the cards, and a couple. It is a compartment compartment bag. So it's like 2 divided ways to put your things inside, and also some cards here that you can put, and it's really nice. yeah, I like it. And you can also wear it this way, or if you want to do two-way, a shorter one, also do that. So yeah. So that's all for today, I guess. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. And I guess I already showed it to you all what we bought here. And we guess we are done in the mall. So tomorrow we are starting to see some stuff, some tourist spot. And I'm also excited, guys, because tomorrow is not just my husband with me, so we're meeting my friends in YT World. So I'm gonna be meeting Katriza Rihano tomorrow, and also the Arts Kitchenette tomorrow. So we are going to where was it? The garden, Miracle Garden tomorrow. So before that, we maybe go to Global Village with my husband. So let's see if we have much time, so we can have a lot to do, you know. So yeah, I have to do tomorrow. Good night, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.